Hi Wooden Tots, I thought I would show you how to make a DIY bird feeder. Some nuts or seeds, and I'm going to blend mine using a hand blender, and then some runny honey, and then you're going to need a little plate or a container where you can roll your toilet roll in, and a string. So it's really simple. And what you want to do is roll the toilet roll in the nuts so it gets completely covered. Take some string. This is really nice as well for children for threading, and they can thread it through. If it helps, you can use a little plastic children's threading needle. They sell them on Amazon for about £4 for a big bag, and they're really handy for making pasta necklaces and practicing threading with loads of other activities. We can do some cardboard threading as well. So thread it through, tie a loop, and then you can hang it up outside.